Hello guys, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today marks the 7th day of African Cookie Palooza, and today we are going to Nigeria. The recipe we're going to make from Nigeria is chin chin. Chin chin is usually fried cookies, but today we're going to bake them. So let's go into the recipe. So for today's recipe, I'm using a food processor. But whatever I do in the food processor, you can easily do with your hand. I have it this handy, that's why I'm going to use it. So you can just mix it with your hand, washed hand, and you will receive the same results. So I've added the flour, I'm adding all the dry ingredients first and mix them. Then we'll go to the butter and the liquid ingredient as well. We have some nutmeg, baking soda, I have some cinnamon, I have some salt and sugar. So I'm going to process all this. So I'm now adding my butter, room temperature butter. I've cut them into smaller, a tablespoon each. And I'm going to process it for it to all mix together. The butter is all mixed up. So we're going to start with my egg. I'm going to break one egg into this, just to make sure I have a good egg. I'm going to process that one first, and I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract as well. So now I'm going to add my milk. For it to be rolled.